Atomic Almanac, Entry 006, The Optimism Machine. In 1958, a Cornell psychologist named Frank Rosenblatt built a machine that could learn to see. The perceptron. 400 photocells connected to electronic neurons. Fed it pictures, and it learned to tell cats from dogs. The newspapers called it the first machine that thinks. Rosenblatt made predictions that set the world on fire. Perceptrons would recognize speech, translate languages, make medical diagnoses. They would be more intelligent than humans within a decade. The Navy gave him $1 million. IBM built the hardware. The future looked bright and electronic. The machine worked exactly as promised. Show it enough examples, and it would learn any pattern. It was artificial intelligence, pure and simple, until two mathematicians decided to ask an uncomfortable question. Marvin Minsky and Seymour Papert spent years analyzing what perceptrons could actually do. Not what they promised, what they could mathematically prove. In 1969, they published a single, devastating book. They proved that perceptrons had a fatal flaw. They couldn't solve problems that weren't linearly separable. In simple terms, they couldn't learn the difference between either-or and this and that. The XOR problem, exclusive OR. If you have two switches, the light should turn on when either switch is flipped, but not when both are flipped. A child could learn this in minutes. No perceptron could ever learn it at all. One simple logic problem brought down an entire field. Funding dried up overnight, labs closed, students switched majors. The first AI winter had begun. For 20 years, neural networks became a forbidden topic in computer science. 2 years later, Rosenblatt died in a boating accident in 1971. His perceptron was dismantled for scrap. The mathematical proof had killed the dream. But here's what nobody understood at the time. Minsky and Papert had only proven the limits of single-layer networks. They'd assumed the future would be as simple as the present. The solution already existed in theory, multiple layers, hidden connections, but it would take another generation to rediscover what had been lost. Today's AI systems solve XOR before breakfast and go on to recognize faces, translate languages, write poetry. Everything Rosenblatt promised, finally delivered. But at what cost? We learned to be careful about grand predictions. We learned that intelligence might be more complex than we imagined. We learned that optimism can outlive the machines that built it, filed under Premature Certainty, Instructional.